Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, check your Realme UI and make a quick backup. This prevents surprises if a setting change behaves oddly. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings. You want access to apps and home screen controls. Make sure you can see either an explicit search or global search entry. If not, open home screen settings or the launcher settings. You need these screens to reach the option that removes search for app content, so keep them visible as you proceed. Now perform the key actions. Tap home screen or search settings and look for global search, app search, or search suggestions. Tap into that menu and disable search indexing, suggestion history, and any toggle that lets the launcher read app content. If permissions are shown, revoke the launcher's access to contacts, messages, or media. This prevents content from appearing in search. Make sure to confirm or apply changes. Some systems ask you to finish by clearing caches and restarting. Force stop the launcher in Settings apps, then restart the phone. This forces the system to drop old search indexes. If search results still show app content, go to the launcher app entry and clear data or storage to reset its index. Then verify the search toggles remain off. If the problem returns after an update, recheck permissions for the launcher and disable the toggles again. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent indexing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.